Hey guys, Matthew here. So I have the brand new Jabra Elite 10s here. These are Jabra's, I guess, flagship true wireless earbuds. And so we're gonna take a look at these. We're just gonna do a quick unboxing and first impressions. And then later on, I'll do a review. So stay tuned. Okay, so as I said, these are the Jabra Elite 10s. These are the flagship headphones, earbuds from Jabra. A few years ago, I had the Jabra Elite 85Ts, I believe, and they were decent, but they just weren't my cup of tea. The case was a little bit big, and I didn't like the fact that I couldn't use one earbud without the other. And I do a lot of just one single earbud kind of listening, so these should have that. So we're gonna just quickly look at these, but I'm gonna go over the specs of these real quick and then we'll unbox them. So these start at $249.99. It is a steep price, but these are Jabra's flagship headphones. They do have an active version, the Jabra Elite 8 active, and those are, I believe, $199. So $50 less gets you a little bit less, but these are the flagship earbuds from Jabra. These come in 5 different colors. The cocoa color, the cream color, the gloss black color, which I do have here, the matte black color, and the titanium black color. Most of you guys are probably familiar with the titanium color and the matte black color. Those are their typical or standard colors, but they do have these other colors with these as well now. So these do have Bluetooth 5.3, which is good. It is the latest Bluetooth codecs, and I'm glad that they do have them. That should give you up to 10 meters or 33 feet of connectivity with these, so you can walk around a building or whatever if you want, or walk to a different room if you're in an apartment. So that's really good. These do support multi-connectivity, so you can connect 2 devices at one time with these. These do have advanced active noise cancellation. Very nice. These are supposed to be 2 times better than the standard Jabra noise cancellation. These do have wireless and USB-C charging, so with the case it does support wireless and USB-C charging. These do have 2 codexes, your AAC and your SBC. The battery life, earbuds with ANC do get you up to 6 hours, and without ANC give you up to 8 hours, I believe. And then the case gives you 27 hours with ANC on and 36 hours with ANC off. And these do support fast charging, so you do get 5 minutes of charge with these, gives you about an extra hour of playback, and I believe it's 3 hours will get your case and earbuds from 0 to 100%. And then the case is IP54 rated and the earbuds are IP57 rated, so therefore you don't have to worry about if you get these wet, caught in the rain or anything like that. You will be safe. I wouldn't go swimming with these or take a shower with these, but with some splashes or anything like that, you should be good to go. These do have an app with the Google Play Store and the iPhone App Store. So we're gonna quickly unbox these. So on here, you see the tabs right there. So I'm gonna pull this tab just like that. And I'm gonna pull this tab here as well. So don't forget, you do have 2 tabs, 1 on each side. So if you do one, don't forget the other. We're gonna slide this out. And then when I slide that out, you do see the Elite 10s comfortably better sound. So they are touting better sound than your previous generations and all that. Jabra used to be known for their true wireless earbuds. They were known especially the beginning of true wireless earbuds, and then all the other competitions started catching up, but now they do have this pair. So we're gonna pull that tab there, and then right here you do get your earbuds. So they claim there are 62,000 ear scanned to create the perfect fit, and so we'll pull this open here, and you see you do get the case here. I'm gonna pull this case out. The case is good size. It's not small or anything. It's not like the AirPod Pros or anything, but it is a good size case. And then you do have some more ear tips here, and then you get a relatively short USB-A to USB-C cable here. Nothing spectacular or anything like that. And then if you lift here, you do get some extra material, just some legal safety information, stuff like that. The app should be just called Jabra. So I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna Jabra. Here we go. The Jabra app and Jabra Plus Sound, I believe, is the app. So we're going to install this right here. I do have how to pair. To connect your earbuds, you take them, you open the case, and you take the earbuds out of the case, and you should hear this little chime. And so right there, all of a sudden you see the Jabra Elite 10 connect. So I'm gonna connect, and it's gonna start connecting. So now it is connected to the earbuds. It is nice that they connect somewhat easy. I wish they would connect better just by like opening the case and they connect, but anyways, case itself is pretty nice. It's very lightweight. I would say it's a little bit lighter than, let's say, the Beats Studio Buds Plus case, but it is also slightly smaller. This case does support wireless charging, so I've got an Anchor wireless charger here, and we're just gonna lay this here and see. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see that, but as you can see, the charging light does show right there, so you do have the charging indicator. So that is nice that it does support wireless charging right there. So one thing I wish the Beats Studio Buds Plus had was wireless charging. And if you want to, you can do the traditional USB-C charging right here. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. You get the Jabra branding right here on the case as well, and then the indicator right there. And so other than that, nothing else. The hinge of this feels pretty nice, so you can hear a nice little snap. So it's nice. It's not the best snap in the world, but it is nice. So here's the Jabra, here's the Beats Studio Buds Plus. So a pretty nice hinge. You do get the indicator right there as well on the earbuds, and then of course you have the earbuds themselves, and they kind of snap into place. And the magnets on this is pretty strong for the earbuds, as you can see, just like that. But for the most part, they're pretty strong. So overall, pretty nice. I do not like that it is kind of that matte finish on this case, so it's gonna get some scuffs, it's gonna get some fingerprints, stuff like that. So just be aware that it is matte finish. But anyways, so I'm gonna pull up the Jabra app here. So I do have the Jabra app here. I'm gonna put these in my ears. Okay, and then through this app, you can locate your earbuds, stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and find the Elite. Here we go. And then through this app, here's the spatial audio sound. You can do head tracking off, head tracking on. So it's nice. It's that Dolby Atmos sound effects. You can do my controls, so music and media. You can do that and change the controls if you want for both the left and the right. So that's really nice. And then you can do incoming calls. So through this, you can change the controls of your earbuds if you want. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Okay, and then you just got different voice assistants. You can do Google Assistant, or you can do your default Android. There's that, and then of course your quick start guide as well. So yeah, let's skip that, not now. And then I believe you can also change your active noise cancellation. You can do hear through, you can change all that. You can do your music, EQ, stuff like that, different presets, and then different soundscapes. So it is customizable to an extent. So again, $249.99 for these. You do get 4 sets of ear tips. You get the earbuds and the case, and you do get a cable. But anyways, so thank you guys for watching. This has been my Jabra Elite 10 unboxing and walkthrough. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Until then, everyone, stay safe. Peace.